So this is something that chickens do. They dig little holes with their body and just bathe in the sun. Super cute. There's a chicken coop on my parents' property, and we get a bunch of different colored eggs every single day. A chicken lays an egg about once every 20 hours or so, and we have different types of breeds of chickens that lay blue eggs and spotted eggs. So in this video, I'm going to be hollowing out some eggs, filling them with some nice resin. Then I'm going to be carving a design into them, or as well as that will work out. Not really sure, haven't tried it before, but let's give it a shot and hope it turns out decent. So thanks for watching. First thing is I pick out a couple eggs that I thought would work really nicely for the project. I picked out a nice speckled dark orange one and a blue one. Bluish green, either way. So the first step is putting holes on both of the ends to blow out the egg. I'm shaking the egg here just to break the yolk so it comes out easier. And then I tape off the holes to prep them for resin. So for these two eggs, I made blue resin and pink resin, and I wanted the orange one to have blue inside because I thought that was a really complementary color. And then for the blue one, I wanted to add pink inside. The pink one I wanted to do a little bit differently, where I only have the bottom half of it is pink resin, and then I do a little bit more funky stuff with clear resin and putting some pink glitter, some dried cedar, and some dried flower petals. So for the first one, I try to draw a really simple design just to get a feel for how I can carve into it with my Dremel. So I do a few stars and a few circles, and I'm totally willing to compromise once I get the process started, because the eggshell unfortunately cracked pretty easily, so they weren't the most perfect shapes that I wanted, but I didn't mind a little bit of an abstract look, and I think this one turned out pretty cute. So what actually inspired this project was Mother's Day. This was a gift that I was trying to make for my mom. We recently got chickens about 1 year ago, and she's been obsessed. She spoils them a lot, and I thought this would be like a nice way to commemorate their eggs because I think it's pretty unique. So I thought it would just be a really nice canvas to work on for resin art. For this next one, I wanted to keep it even simpler because I didn't want to risk doing any more crazy designs just in case I ruin it. So this one I made an effect where the egg was like breaking open, kind of like the egg was hatching. And the final step was to glaze them and polish them and make them look pretty. This is honestly the step that makes the most difference. It makes the colors really bright and pigmented, and it really lets you actually see what's going on. I couldn't believe how much dark and depth I could see in that blue resin. So here are the final results, and I think they look really pretty. The top coat really seals everything together, and even though there's really messy spots, I think it looks really pretty and shiny and clean just because of that really nice top coat. And I also love the contrast of colors for both of these eggs. I think that turned out really nicely. The ombre in the pink one just looks like a galaxy and looks so pretty and so much depth in there. The sparkles especially made it really captivating to look at. So I'm really happy with how these turned out, and that is how I created these chicken eggs out of resin. I kind of want to do more in the future. Who knows, I could get better at this. There's a whole world of eggs out there.